Hello and welcome. This is BRAD, and today I'm going to show you just real quick how to use your Chromebook to take a picture and then add that picture to a presentation. And so we're doing this project where we need to present our designs. And so the first thing I'm going to do, I want to get a picture of my drawing. So I'm going to come down here to the launcher, hit this window, and there is a camera app there. Now you can see me. But more importantly, here is my design. So I'm going to get that to where it shows up relatively nicely in the screen, and we're going to take a picture of it. All right, there we go. And we don't need this anymore. And so now, if you go back into this launcher, under Files, you should see that we have this image that I just created of my drawing. I can go ahead and rename that something more meaningful. And we'll just go ahead and minimize that, because what I really want to do is put that into a Google Slides presentation. So once again, I'm going to the launcher, Slides, you can go right here. And we'll create a new blank document. And into this Google Slide presentation, I will insert an image. I'm going to upload that from my computer. And you can see here under my files, I have downloads, and I'm not sure why it puts it in the downloads folder, but that's basically where it is. And then I have a controller. And there you go. It has now put that into my presentation. And so I can resize that. Obviously, if you're doing an actual presentation, you would probably think a little bit more about where you're going to put it, but that gets the job done. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.